Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you guys how to create a YouTube channel, step by step. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos. First of all, step 1, go to youtube.com. Go to the top section and click this sign in button. If you already have an account you see list to choose, but if not you will see create new button. I already have account, so I will just click that and put my password into it. If you don't know how to create a Google account, comment down below if you want me to show you on a video. Step 2. After you sign into your account, go to the top section again and click this button. You will see those list. Choose create channel and click on it. After clicking, a text will pop up and says, "We'll see get started" button. You have to click that one. Next, you will choose how to create your channel. First option, use your name. Or second option, to use a custom name. For example, I am planning to open funny video channel which I upload funny stuff into it. So, I will name my channel Funny Videos and click here that I understand creating new account. Then click create. Finally, we successfully create YouTube channel. We will see nice work, your channel has been created. Next, you can upload a profile picture by clicking upload button and choose a picture that fits to your brand, which you prefer and upload. After that, you can write a description that tells about your channel for people who sees your channel to understand what contents you are posting. Last, you can add or link your website or address here and click save and continue. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can create a YouTube channel easily. If you have any additional questions, comment down below and I will answer your question. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time with how to verify your YouTube account, how to monetize, and so on. Make sure to subscribe and not miss a single video.